Okay, so now we're going to go to the RDS. Okay, RDS. Check for the security group. I think just now have some issue there. Now it had been fixed. Okay. Okay, security group. And this one we're going to go inside our EC2 and check for the security group for our web server. Okay. So we just put it for the private IP and the see the inbound rules. Okay. Alright, rules. MySQL. Then the IP would be this one, private IP. Just copy it. Paste it. Okay, and another one. So MySQL. This one we put the security group. Security group. This one is 3D79. 3D79. Okay, so done. Save the rules. If you got attend my previous YouTube, you should know what I'm doing lah. Okay, so I think that's it. We can hopefully we can see the web server, right? Make sure it's HTTP. Okay, sorry for the wait. I've done some modification. Okay, so it's in the web server file. I need to edit some parameters there. So let us see. Okay, ta-da! You can see, yay, you have the unicorn and everything. Okay, wow, take me some time to fix the parameters. Alright, so that's it. You can access the web server from the public address at the AWS EC2 instance, right? So this one considered successful, yay. Just to recap, okay, on what we have done. Okay, so to close this. I need to relaunch this. Sorry. Okay, just to recap. Okay, so this one we have a security group here, right? Here's a security group here. Okay, so just now we have done the security group, which for the inbound we allow the port 80 HTTP from any IPv4. Then security group, we allow the inbound from port 3006 from the security group of the web server and the private IP of the web server. Right, so this is what we done just now lah. And what else? We have done the parameter to connect. So this is more on the Ubuntu side lah. The web server administrator will do this lah, right? Okay, so let's recap from the beginning. Okay, so first we are using the rehost method and using the application migration service, which in the short form we call MGN. Okay, so the idea is we need to install an agent on the on-prem server. Okay, and then we will, before that we will create a replication server template. This is like a replication instance, right? It's the same function. It's only used for replicate the data from the on-prem to our EC2 instance. Okay, next we will be after this agents is installed in the on-prem, you will automatically replicate over, and then you have a EC2 launch template here, right? So this one, okay, so when you have the launch template here, if let's say you are not satisfied with what AWS recommend, you can always change the launch template size, the network, anything. It's let's say like edit setting in the VMware lah. You can change when the EC2 instance launch in AWS, what setting would it be, right? So after you change, remember, go back to the EC2 launch template and update the version. Okay, and then after that we have modified, then we can, after the replication is completed, then we will do the test for the instance, and then we need to mark it as ready to cut over, and then the AWS will do the cleanup. Okay, make sure the cleanup is finished, then you launch the cutover instance, right? Then after that actually got one more step you need to finalize cutover. Okay, then after it's cut over, we need to configure the web server to make sure the IPv4 address can access the web server via port 80 HTTP, and then the web server can access the RDS via port 3006, and then for the inbound rule, for the SG of RDS, you need to open for the security group web server and the private IP of the web server to access. Alright, so this connection also you need to set parameter, right, to connect from the web server to RDS. Alright, so I think that's it. We have successfully see the unicorn, by me a unicorn, yeah, hopefully. So that's it. I think that's it for the migration. It's a bit blur at the middle center, and it takes me some time to figure it out, and we have success doing this, and hopefully you learn something on how to migrate using the rehost method and using the application migration service NGN. Alright, thanks. If you like my video, kindly subscribe, like, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.